Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the two essential assets, the main footage and the picture-in-picture clip, and you set matching frame rates so playback stays smooth. Once done, make a quick trim pass to create a rough cut that highlights where the P belongs, because that makes precise placement faster. Then open your editor and set the sequence preset to match the main footage. Make sure to enable two video tracks, V1 for the main layer and V2 for the P layer, so you can work non-destructively. You drag the P clip onto V2 and snap it to the timeline at your chosen endpoint, leaving a small 10-frame handle for smooth transitions. Next, scale and position the P using either a preset aspect like 16:9 or by maintaining the clip's aspect ratio, because consistent framing avoids distortion. Then apply a subtle border and shadow to separate layers, and set opacity or blend mode. If you want movement, add keyframes to the position and scale, so the P can slide or zoom in sync with content. You finalize by rendering a short segment of the P section to confirm sync, quality, and audio routing. Make sure dialogue from both tracks is balanced before export. Once satisfied, export using a preset that matches the timeline codec, running a quick one-pass test, and then the final two-pass export for best quality. If you encounter stutter or lip-sync drift, transcode the P clip to match the timeline frame rate and resolution, because mismatched encoding is the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.